So today I'm going to unbox this Google Home Minis that I just got from Spotify for free. So I just got an email from Spotify saying that I can claim a Google Home Mini for free, and I click on that link and send me to a Google store, and from there I can claim my Google Home Mini for free. So that's how I got this one for free. And as you can see, this is a new, it's not a new, it's an old Google Home Mini. This is the first generation, and I think right now it's on sale about between $25 $30. This is the first generation. I think Google has already released a second generation called Google Nest. But as you can see, it's can do all of the Google Assistant stuff, like OK Google. I don't have any Google device at home, so I can say that. Small and mighty. And this is the bottom. Alright, let's unbox that. And we have this tag. And we have Google Home Mini, and oh, it's like the material is cloth, but it have some texture on it. It's a texture of a, I don't know, it's a rock. It's not smooth, you know. And this is the back. So it's need a micro USB, and I believe this is the microphone switch, so you can toggle on and off in the case that you don't want your Google Home Mini to consistently listen to you. You can turn it off. And what else do we have? We have some. Let's get started. Be safe. Safety and warranty. And let's get started. Plug it in, get the app, download the Google Home app. And here is get to know your Google Home Mini. So we have a touch control, we have just start with OK Google, and this is some of the command that you can use. You can learn more. Oh, it came with a wall charger. It's so cute. It's pretty roundy. Oh, I like the cord. It feels so nice. It's feel really different. It's not an Apple cable. It feels so smooth. I love this. Alright, what else do we have? And this is the charging bridge, and let's see how many watts this one's have. This one can charge up to, no, it doesn't say that. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I have in there. I'm going to put everything back in the box. Alright, that's about it. And one more time, this is the Google Home Mini. And this is the back. And this is the port. Charger is really smooth. I love the charger.